One emperor made yawning illegal. In the 18th century, China was ruled by the Qianlong Emperor, powerful, refined, and extremely proud. One day, during a poetry recital, a court official yawned, just once. The emperor was so offended, he stopped the ceremony and had the man removed. After that, yawning in his presence was banned. Even sneezing was risky. The palace became a place of forced smiles and silent panic, all to protect one man's ego. Like weird stories from real history? Hit like, subscribe, and stay alert. Just don't yawn.